Good morning to the best family on YouTube. Alright, we're going fixing a table. Let's see what's happening. What? You're not even looking at the camera, you fool.
Alright, so basically we're about to fix the table, right? So it's going to be left to me to do, obviously, because I did engineering in college, so. Right.
Did, yeah.
Welcome to my house, boys. So we have
MTV cribs. That's good.
Hi, hello.
Pretty stylish YouTube setup.
Where's your rank tissue?
Wait.
I don't have it.
Wait.
That's bullshit. Look how fucking chunky this bitch is, man.
Oh, we getting moved.
Look at how
We
chunky
getting lit.
So what, you're going to blow this up?
We getting lit.
Holy moly. Mother of God above. This can actually kill the fucking cow.
Jeez, we late.
You're going to get some art going.
So,
Holy shit.
this is what we have to fix. Doesn't even look like a table.
This is delightful. Absolutely delightful. Yeah, fuck it.
Yep. Yep. The table's breaking before it's even dead.
We have half of the desk done.
All done by size. All done by size, obviously. You'll see in the time lapse how quickly I got.
You'll see your head in the fuck.
Oh, he's even sweating. Look, he's even sweating because he. Desk is almost done.
Wait, is that done then?
No, but we have to screw it in.
Yeah, just. Well, that's not too bad. That's not too bad.
We'll be back soon.
Alright, we fucked up the shelf, so we're taking a quick
Fuck
break.
that. I'm done for the next 5 hours, man. Fuck
We're
that shit.
taking
Like,
a
honestly,
quick break.
I'm tired of this. I'm not a big
Yeah, we'll be back. We'll be finished. How long? It's been 2 hours.
2 hours.
It's been about 2 hours, yeah. Anyways, in a bit. Alright. Went to the last screw, boys.
As I said, Sazo did this whole thing.
No.
And you can see the evidence.
The last
here.
5 minutes he's been doing it.
You can see the evidence here.
Yeah.
Saz did this whole
Hashtag
thing.
slave.
Yeah, what?
I joke.
Alright, I'm getting you fucking.
Alright. Let's see this
Let's
thing.
go! Let's go!
Quick. Alright, we done. Two hours later. 2 hours later.
Woo! Woo! Let's go!
Let's go.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Check out my baseball bat, so we smashed it.
Fuck
Imagine.
this, man. Let's just smash it, bro.
Show you, man. I'll just give my sister the money back.
Alright. Let's just fuck this shit up.
Alright. Anyways, we'll be back. The firework thing. So, yeah.
Peace out, baby.
Peace out.
Again, so we're about to go live some fireworks, obviously, you get me, we're gonna blow some shit up. But anyways, yeah, I'm excited for that. My drag's doing a bit of shocky on me, but we'll say less about that. Take that. Back again. I'll catch you back when we're at the at Mount Hawk pitch, obviously.
Alright guys, we're walking towards the Mount Hawk area now. Albert the dickhead just fucked the firework on us. I didn't get on record though. I didn't know he was gonna do it.
You do it, Alabama, kid.
What's this guy lighting now? Oh, there's a bat. Fucking hell. God damn. Yeah.
This is the scariest
There's us
moment of my
as-
fucking life. You're in! We're ready for takeoff. I'll put that next to you. Put that next to you. Put that next to you.
I slipped. Launch it, launch it. You should have faced it more up, I said it. I want the bugs around me, man.
That has to reach. What the fuck, man?
That's gonna blow us, man.
No, so let's drop a little bit of mixtape. You get what
Alright.
I'm saying, man?
Yo,
Cali Exazo.
we just did the fireworks, but
Come-
we're going
come in the middle.
insane. I got these man on my dick and she giving me brain. Yo, you finish it up, bro. I only got 2 seconds in this bitch. Hey,
Yeah.
hey, 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 hey.
I got my girl in the bed and she giving me brain. My dick so hard got me going insane. Got me lighting on the fire, yeah, we burning them flames. I be getting all this dripping, I ain't never gonna change. I be getting $1 million every second. Everybody rapping, but niggas, you know I reckon I'm the freaking best in the south and the west end. Nigga always talking, well, nigga, I don't listen.
Lock it up, lock it. Works better than last one because last one was absolutely trash. It was absolutely shocking. So I hope the guys come and chase this time because that's the end goal, obviously, to get a chase. I'm fucking 20, but I act like a fucking 15, but fuck it. What was she saying? Do you know,
This is going on YouTube, like.
ooh.
Keep going, though.
What? Yeah, fuck it, man. What was she saying, man? Listen, you ever chat to my friend again like that, yeah? Ever? I swear to God.
I wanna see if she watches the videos.
What happened? Oh,
Yep. Why'd you bump into me? Wait! Wait!
he just walked off here.
Oh my god. That went about 40 meters, man.
Magnet, man. Yo, magnet, man.
Oh, that's shocking.
Wait. Albert, pick it up, pick it up. Pick it up. They're looking for a fucking one of the fireworks. This fella robbed it. I'm just hiding there.
Did you see what happened? Like this, I saw my mum say,
I actually seen that as well.
oh,
I felt the wind, man.
wait!
Wait! Fucking hell.
Alright, so we're back now. We thought the guys came. Obviously didn't come. This
But
guy
Larry
right
pranked us.
here, he was just hiding the whole time. I don't know what the fuck he was doing anyways, back to what I was saying. Yeah, we thought the guys came. Oh, I actually wanted the guys to come, not gonna lie. But unfortunately they didn't. Now we're gonna sit down and get fucked up, drink a couple beers, get fucked. He's funny.
I was like, keep it going, keep it going. I'm not gonna shoot that pepper. I was gonna do it, but I said I used my cousin. I felt bad. I knew he was gonna do it.
Yo, where's Emma, boy? Sit on my chair, man.
You get the worst of it though, like.
No, but we begged it before we came
No,
here.
didn't we, like?
It is Larry's house.
No, there's a chair right there, man. That's why you brought
There's a
the
third chef you there.
No,
That's Marco's house. So
Ivan, Marco, and here. Emma, no argument.
that has
please. Emma, no argument, please.
You actually have to beat the old
take
people,
easy,
like.
like.
Do you know what? I actually have to watch this fully, like.
We begged it before you came. Why are you shouting? Moms, we begged it.
Say wallahi.
Wallahi.
We did.
Moms.
Did Emma not hear that, like?
People think I'm stupid, like, guys, my brain is ahead of Ali, man. Elon Musk.
Eline. Fella said Eline.
Elon Musk.
Wait.
Guys, that's
Elon. Wait, Elon. Who the fuck is Elon, boy?
Alright, so we're about to play Mafia right now. This game could be very dangerous. So basically the aim of the game is you have to bluff your way out
Wait,
of
how
it.
many did you put a whole trip?
If you get a card that has, well, a piece of paper that has a hole in it, you're Mafia.
Everyone picked up everything,
And you have to
yeah.
bluff
There's one there.
and make everyone think that you're not Mafia. So
Did everyone pick up my
everyone's gonna be bluffing you basically. So. I'm telling you now, The mafia are playing us right now. They make you think it's me. I promise you it's not me, boy.
It's Albert.
I promise you.
I swear.
Do you know see how fast my TD switched from Larry to me?
I'm telling you.
No, see how fast
TD and Larry.
it's one of you. I feel no side. I think also.
I promise you it's not me.
Mafia has single-handedly just teamed up. Albert knows us.
Yes.
Albert knows us.
Alright, here. Take your vote.
Okay, Marco.
See this guy? He can't went for me. He went for me. So it's either them two.
No, for Albert. And he went for me as well.
Yeah, so it's either them two.
Yeah, Albert. Marco.
Marco,
Use your head.
Marco, use your head.
Oh, this is gonna go on till tomorrow, man.
No, we have to take on one of the
10 minutes later.
See the way Marco, if you're sharp, you vote for this fool, man.
It's rather Larry or Osas.
Larry Osas. Marco, look me dead there and tell me Larry. Go look me dead there and tell me Larry.
It's Larry. Vote Larry.
Okay, vote me front. If I go on civilian, it's on you, man. I'm trying to save this fucking.
Wait, what did he say? Civilian?
Look how fast.
I'm a civilian.
No.
It's Albert and Osas. How's rock, man?
Osas, it's rather
Osas.
Marco.
Look at me.
You have to be on my side here now. Marco.
No, that was bad.
Alright, so
No, that was bad because Albert. I was gonna end it anyway.
3 games into Mafia right now, and all the bottles have been opened, as you can see, except for one. I have one more left. So yeah, a few drinks in now, and things are getting a bit rowdy. Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
It is.
Look at the size.
Don't.
Look at the size. Jesus.
Wait, so it's 2-1-2. You have 2-1-2. It's 2-1-2.
Right, what if you have to pick?
Okay, TD.
You're food.
It's Larry.
They won.
No, Larry's win.
They won.
Tiddy, you went for Tiddy.
Sure.
You Mafia.
No, I'm not. I knew it. You fucking freak. I knew it, man.
Boy.
I told you I
Actually won.
Mike, I knew it was you the whole time. I swear to God, I knew it was you.